2017 Toyota Highlander. Customer complained that the vehicle does not start. Now bear with me guys, I'm gonna try to speak as fast as possible because I'm trying to keep this video under 2 minutes. Here's the symptoms. Vehicle cranks, no start. Now before this vehicle was told to me, it came from a previous mechanic. I'm not sure if that was a mobile guy or a repair shop. Scanned the vehicle and found this code in the ECM. Engine immobilizer system signal invalid. With the key in the ignition, that security light goes away, but the vehicle still does not start. Now the customer said that the previous mechanic replaced the battery and tried to reprogram the key, but whatever they did, symptoms is still there. I'm trying to talk to the immobilizer, and I saw that I have no communication with that module. Based on my wire diagram, I got two power that's going to the transponder ECU, which is the MPXB number 3 and the ignition fuse number 2. I got a good load and almost battery voltage. Now the ignition fuse, which is a Torah one from the bottom, 7.5 amp, 11.1 volt with a load. Not because my power is at the fuse means that my power is going to the module, but here's the reason why I can't get to my module. This is the module here, right? Number 2, which is the transponder key ECU. For me to get to this module, the first step is to remove the air conditioning unit assembly. Just to get to this module takes 8.5 hours. A module needs, or any part needs, power and ground to operate or create work. I have one power that's going to the module right here, but I cannot get to the module because of the time that is involved. That is something I have to get to the customer to and see if you want to proceed with this diagnosis. Let's not get too carried away. Remember that the ECM is setting a communication problem with the immobilizer system on this car. There is two wires that's coming from the transponder key ECU to the ECM, right? And at the ECM is pin 45 and 59. Now at this moment, I can hook up the scope and show you guys a waveform that is coming to the ECM, but I just want to confirm that I have some sort of connection from the ECM to the transponder key ECU. So I'm in pin 59 at the ECM, and as you can see, the multimeter is pulsing between 10 to 6 volt. Now I am connected to pin 45 at the ECM, and I got the same waveform here. Well, really not a waveform, just a pulse between 10 volt to 6 volt. That is not the way to accurately test the signal that's coming from the ECM, but I just want to make sure that I have some sort of a good connection between the ECM and the transponder key ECU. Since there is a direct connection from the transponder ECU to the DLC and it cannot communicate with the DLC, again I'm going to assume that my powers and grounds are okay and I have a faulty transponder key ECU. If you guys are a little bit carried away with all the information that I shared so far, here's a recap of everything. So